It's really good. The program's quite good. It's quite reputed so the thing is, when you're in Boston, you're competing with people from Harvard and MIT and Boston University. So, in spite of all those factors, NU still has a great standing over here and is quite reputed by even the locals and the companies in the East Coast at least. We had created a group for masters in computer science, a WhatsApp group, and we made an Excel sheet which we circulated through that group, where we listed out our preferences, what kind of roommates we want, what kind of a person, what kind of people we are. I mean, do we drink or do we eat? Are we vegetarians or non-vegetarians? Or how many roommates do we want? As far as housing is concerned, apartments.com and other websites, we had to search for them and we had to call the brokers, and we even had to use a lot of our seniors for help. The brokers used to pitch us some ideas with some quotations in some areas, but being in India, we do not know how safe that area is or how far it is. Your lease is very important, so make sure to get your name on the lease. We did not know that, so only two of us have the names on our leases. So, and we're paying, and we're still paying the same. Because in if there is a checking or if the management comes to know that more people are staying, then there can be a problem. But so that is why if there are four people on the lease, then you can legally have four keys. You can legally stay four people. If you stay like nearby within 15-minute uh, distance, you won't have to worry about uh, coming back from the university, because Northeastern has a service called the Red Eye, where after 7 p.m. in the evening, you just have to download an app and book the shuttle, and they'll
Okay.
drop you within 2 mile radius of the university, and that which pretty much covers every location that people offer,
Oh,
usually take. Markets nearby really make it easy for you. You can just get the groceries also. There's the Patel store also, which people go to monthly or can order groceries from, which is cheap. And you can just cook, but just learn to cook before you come. That will make your expenses light. My rent is around $650 for a first stay. So it's around $650, and other than my rent, I end up paying $200 for my electricity, for Wi-Fi, and food. We had it included in our rent. We also had the gas included in the rent. The only transition that people face problems with is the temperature, because when you come here, which would be late August, it's already 15 degrees or so Celsius, and so people here take 15 degrees as a very warm climate. They'll wear short sleeved t-shirts and shorts and just roam around, and you will actually be wearing a sweater even then. So that's the only transition that you need to work on. Here, they take this academic integrity really seriously, and so a lot of people I know who cheated even in the smallest form, they were given something called as an Oscar, which is Northeastern's way of telling you this is your first warning, this is your Oscar. Now you cannot be a TA, now you cannot get co-op, now you cannot get an internship, but this is the warning that you get before we throw you out of the country. And with one person, it's even happened that that person got an Oscar again and was deported. So these people just take the academic integrity really seriously. I mean, we underestimate it before we are in that position. So I would just like to say that make sure that your assignments and your work is completely genuine. You shouldn't reach too early also. Like I know people who reached a month or so before, um because you will just be getting your apartments on 1st of September. The 1st of September is the move-in date for fall. They speak a lot about academic integrity because it's really important here. Uh, and they'll speak about a few events which are going on and what they've organized for the incoming fall students. And it's more of a networking event, and like you need to just get to know your peers. No class has more than 60, 70 students. There'll be quite a lot of Chinese people, quite a lot of Indian people, and a few Americans. It's dominated by people with experience. Northeastern just trains you for the companies. Even the courses like PDP and MSD, PPMS, they are not, they are quite targeted towards making you work for the industry and not research. So that way they prefer, the intake is also more of people who have work experience because that is what they want. Northeastern offers you a lot of opportunities that way. I mean, it's got a three-floor gym which is free for you because of being Northeastern students. Then there's a badminton court. There are free basketball courts. There's place for football, baseball.